In this video, you will understand whether reserved category female candidates can apply for seats not reserved specifically for women. Now, this question is asked by one of our viewers at Falguni Naik 1448, and I thank her for asking this question. Her specific question is this. She asks, Sir, can a reserved category female candidate apply for same reserved category seat that is not specifically mentioned for female seat? For example, if there is only one seat vacancy for reserved category, but it is not allotted for women. Now, does it mean that only male reserved candidates are eligible for that one seat? Or can even a female get that seat? That's her question. So the video is going to be interesting, and please watch the video entirely. But before we move ahead, friends, there is something exciting that I want to share with you all. I'm so happy to announce that our YouTube channel Legal Inspiration has now reached a milestone of 90,000 subscribers. And your ongoing support and feedback inspires me to create more and more valuable legal content that can empower and educate others too. Thank you for being a part of the Legal Inspiration family. Together we can continue to inspire and educate others with the power of legal knowledge. Thank you all once again. Now, coming back to the topic of the video, just one caution. Whatever I'll be telling you in this video is not a legal advice. It is a general guidance. So before you act on whatever I tell you in this video, you please take specific legal consultation from a lawyer of your choice. Okay? So for properly understanding the answer to the question relating to the topic of this video, it's important for you to first understand the concept of open general category and its impact on the reserved category candidates. See, open category is open to all kinds of candidates. Now, all means all, literally. The open category serves as a neutral ground. It welcomes the candidates from diverse backgrounds without discrimination based on caste, community, religion, gender, or any other kind of thing. Open general category embodies the principle of equality. It offers an equal opportunity platform for all individuals to compete based solely on their own merit. Now please understand what I will be telling you very carefully. The law says that any candidate belonging to socially reserved category has a right to assert his or her claim in the open general category. If he or she has the mettle, if he has the talent to compete with open category candidates on his or her own merit. This means that irrespective of their social background or reservation status, every candidate has a chance to showcase his or her abilities and strive for opportunities in the open category. And if a backward class candidate is really meritorious, he or she can certainly get a seat in open general category. So understand that the main claim of every candidate, whether he is open category or of reserved category, is to the open general category seat. And the claim to a reserved category seat is an additional claim, my dear friends. It acts as an additional advantage rather than a limitation. It supplements the candidate's merit-based claim in open category by providing him or her with dual avenues to secure opportunities based on his or her qualifications and capabilities. So in a sense, the open category embodies the principle of equal opportunity. It allows all candidates from all walks of life to compete on a level playing field and realize their potential based on merit alone, irrespective of their caste, community, religion, gender, or any other category. All of them will go to open general category based on their own merit. So the law says that a candidate belonging to any socially reserved category can always lay his claim to open general category on the basis of his or her own merit. And the claim to a reserved category is an additional claim. Right? Clear up to this? So having understood this, we are now moving toward the answer to the question chosen for the topic of this video. Similar logic will apply to a candidate belonging to a socially reserved category. A candidate belonging to a subcategory within the socially reserved category can certainly claim the seat for the main category. Now, a candidate belonging to a socially reserved category, that means backward category, may belong to further layers of horizontal reservation within that overarching category. For example, consider a situation where the candidate who belongs to a socially reserved category such as scheduled castes or scheduled tribes, SC or ST, may also belong to the additional horizontal reservation based on gender, disability, or other criteria like sports, etc. within that social reserved category. It can be a woman or a candidate who is a person with disability or a sports person and like that. In such cases, a candidate who falls under both the socially reserved category and a specific horizontally reserved subcategory certainly has a right to apply for the seats not specifically designated for the horizontal reservation status within the socially reserved category. Now, let me explain this. What I said means that if a seat is reserved for a particular social reservation category, then a female candidate belonging to that socially reserved category can still aspire for that seat which is reserved for socially reserved category candidate. Now, there is no such thing like reservation only for males. This emphasizes the idea of inclusivity and equal treatment for all. Having a reservation system that is not specifically designed only for males shows that everyone, regardless of gender, is considered and included in the system. That means, even though there aren't specific reservations for women, they can still apply for seats in the general social category. The lack of specific gender reservations does not stop women from benefiting from the reserved categories. So everyone, regardless of gender, has a fair chance to compete based on their abilities and qualifications in the broader socially reserved category. And this ensures that the reservation system remains a vehicle for empowerment and social justice for all segments of society, including women. So, the answer to Falguni Naik's question is yes, certainly. Even if a seat is reserved for a particular social reservation category, which is not specifically for women, still a female candidate can apply for that seat. There is no reservation exclusively for males, and females have the right to apply for any socially reserved category, including social general category. I hope this clears up any confusion regarding reserved category seats and the rights of female candidates. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal insights and discussions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, Stay informed, stay empowered. Goodbye.